Okay, so after about 8 hours of sanding the tires, I mean rims, they look like this. I couldn't get those angles, but it's okay. As you saw, I was sanding them also with those things, and that's because they were sandblasted when I bought them, and then I resprayed them. So, oh come on, man, what you want? What you want? And I sprayed them, as I said, and because there was thick layers of color, I had to do it with this. So now I just need to wash them, and then I will spray them with filler. Wait one day, sand them down again, and spray them. Come on, psycho. So it has been now 2 days since I sprayed them with filler, and I said I will be sanding them down, but they don't feel rough, so I will leave them like that and just spray over primer. And again, I have just one bottle, and there is less than half because I don't know who the fuck is using my stuff. But anyways, I will just today spray the inner part, and tomorrow I will go get another primer and spray the outer side. I will just add 1 layer on the inner side and 2 layers on the outer side, and then sand them down with, I don't know, maybe 1500 grit. So yeah, let's spray them. It has been an hour now since I sprayed the inner part of the rims. Now I will flip them, add 1 thick layer on the outer side, and then tomorrow I have to get another primer, add 1 layer, sand them down, goddamn, sand them down, and then spray them with the color I will have on them. I don't know which one I will have. I have now, I think it's black. Yeah, it's black, but it's glossy black. But I think I will spray them in black shadow chrome. We'll see how about that. And yes, I'm using 2 different primers, but it doesn't really matter as long as it isn't just for plastic. So it was just enough for the last rim, kind of. Now I will wait. I don't think I will go into the store today because it's already dark and it's like 7 p.m. I don't know if it's open, but I just need to add 2nd layer and that will be it. Okay, now I will add a 2nd layer of the primer, and again I will be using different primer because they didn't have the primer I was using, so I took that one. It has been a little bit more than 2 hours now since I last sprayed it with primer. So I will sand it down now a little bit. I don't know if I will finish one because I don't really have time. It's 8 p.m. already and I have other stuff to work on. But I will try to finish one right now, and then tomorrow I will be spraying this color. It isn't black shadow chrome as I said, but it is like dark metallic, a little bit shiny, so we'll see. I will be sanding it with this sandpaper. It says just ultra fine. It's pretty fine, but not as much as I would like, but it will be okay, I think. Just to scrub a little bit. I will now try to sand down a little bit, and then I will see. Come on, Lily. And if it is better when it's not sanded, I will just leave it as it is and then just apply the color. Ah, Lily. I think I will just sand down those little things where the color is spilled a little bit, I mean the primer, and nothing of this. So okay, so there wasn't much of a color spill to sand down. I will just turn them around and apply a little bit of this metallic. This is the first coat. I will let it dry a little bit and then I will add another one, and this will be it for the inner part. Then on the outer side I will add 3 layers, and on top of that a clear layer, so should look pretty awesome. Now they are all dry and it is time to take the tape off. make some pictures and then put it under the stairs. I don't know, maybe I will sell them, maybe I will keep them. We'll decide that in the summer, but they came out pretty good. Here's one. It will be really nice in the sun because it's a little bit shiny. So right now I have them under the light and they come out like this. And yeah, also I need to clean those little valves. So that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.